He built an AI that mastered the world's hardest board game, and then one that cracked a mystery of life that baffled scientists for 50 years. But Demis Hassabis isn't just trying to create a smarter machine. He's trying to solve the deepest problems of our time and change what it means to be human along the way. Demis Hassabis was a child prodigy, born in London in 1976 to a Greek Cypriot father and Chinese Singaporean mother. He was playing chess at age 4 and ranked as one of the best players in the world for his age by his teens. And he wasn't just about the game. He became a game designer, helping create the iconic game theme park at age 17. And he studied computer science at Cambridge, then earned a PhD in cognitive neuroscience at UCLA, blending machines and the human mind. In 2010, Hassabis co-founded DeepMind, aiming to create AI systems inspired by the human brain. Their mission? To build artificial general intelligence, or AGI, that could learn anything a person could. But the challenge was massive. Funding was scarce, skeptics said it couldn't be done. Therefore, Demis made a bold move. He sold DeepMind to Google in 2014 for over $500 million, 0 cents, but insisted the deal include an ethics board to guide how the AI would be used. In 2016, DeepMind shocked the world. Their AI, AlphaGo, defeated Lee Sedol, one of the greatest Go players in history. But it wasn't just about winning. The AI played moves no human had imagined, changing how people thought about creativity, intuition, even genius. Therefore, DeepMind proved that AI could do more than follow patterns. It could help us see problems and solutions in entirely new ways. And Demis and his team didn't stop at games. In 2020, they revealed AlphaFold, an AI that predicted how proteins fold, solving a mystery that had stalled medicine for decades. But the more powerful DeepMind's AI became, the more critics asked, who controls this? What happens if it's misused? Some feared a future where AI's power outpaced our ability to guide it. Therefore, Hassabis has become both an innovator and an advocate, pushing for safe, ethical AI that helps humanity, not harms it. And today, Demis Hassabis is focused on applying AI to the greatest challenges: climate change, disease, scientific discovery. But he knows the risks. In his words, AI could be the most powerful technology humanity has ever invented, or the last if we get it wrong. Therefore, he's calling for collaboration between nations, companies, and communities to build AI that lifts us all before it's too late. Demis Hassabis isn't just building machines that learn. He's building the future, one where AI helps solve the impossible. The question is, can we guide it wisely? Next up in our series, the minds pushing AI hardware to its limits, and the thinkers fighting for fairness in AI's future.